So I've decided to upgrade my ticket to first class because there is a promotion that allows me to upgrade for just £20, and given my journey will last more than 5 hours, I think it's worth paying the extra. So the seats in there are really nice, and I'm going to get my own table, and PowerPoints are easier to reach. So it's a once in a blue moon kind of trip that actually takes this long, so I thought about doing it. So I'm going to walk through the carriage now, but I'm not going to speak once I cross this door because there are people inside trying to get some rest, so don't want to be disrespectful. So okay, here we go. So I forgot to mention that this is the first time I'll be sitting in the Great Western Railway's first class livery. So most of the train is still first Great Western, so it's even a pink colour. But they changed the liveries in the first class coach to the Great Western Railway. The standard class coaches are still the normal first Great Western seats and colour scheme. Sorry.